Bulletin, EAS Activation Bureau of Civil Oversight. 4:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Thursday, December 21, 2023. The Bureau of Civil Oversight has issued a national emergency alarm for the new metro area effective until further notice. 4:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an unidentified spatial anomaly, designation, anomaly 2312, WAS detected intersecting with the lower thermosphere. The anomaly is causing severe electromagnetic disruptions, localized gravitational fluctuations, and visual distortions in the night sky. Mandatory safety instructions for all residents. 1. Seek shelter immediately inside a permanent structure. Move to an interior room or basement. 2. Unplug all non-essential electronics to prevent damage from electromagnetic pulses. 3. Do not look directly at the anomaly or the associated light phenomenon. Avoid windows. 4. Do not attempt to travel. Keep roadways clear for emergency oversight units. Prepare for potential grid failures and conserve power. Stay tuned to this frequency for further updates. All is within control. Do not panic.